Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to week 2 of long vowel graphemes. Last week, we focused on 4 new graphemes, boys and girls. And remember, a grapheme is a combination of letters that make a sound, and they make one sound here or 2 sounds. Last week, we focused on these 4, E-I-G-H, like as in the age some of you are, which is 8, and it says the long A sound. We also focused on IGH, saying I, like as in bright or light, and usually it's at the end of the word followed by the letter T. We also focus on IND, saying ind, like as in mind or blind. And then we also learned ILD, and it says ild, like as in wild or child. That was last week's long vowel graphemes. This week, boys and girls, we are going to learn a couple more long vowel graphemes. We are going to be focusing on O, old, and OOST. So here's where you put the listening ears on and listen to Miss Laspiza, and then you say it. Ready? I'm ready. Here we go. Name of this week's pattern is OLL. And the sound that this is going to say is OL. Can you say OL? Good job, friends. It's found at the end of the word as in scroll. Okay, here's where you say it. Name of the pattern? Good. OLL. Sound is OL. Very good. Found? End of the word as in, good job, friends, scroll. Next one we're going to be working on is old here. Okay, that's the name of the pattern, OLD. Sound is old. Found end of the word as in cold. Here we go. Here's where you say it now. Here, ready? Name of the pattern is? Good, OLD. Sound? Good job, friends, old. Found? End of the word as in cold. Nice job. Last long vowel grapheme that we will work on this week is OST. And OST says the sound OOST. Good job. And it's found at the end of the word as in post. Okay, here's where you say it. Ready? Name of the pattern is OST. Good job. Sound OOST. Found end of the word as in post. Nice job, friends. So remember, boys and girls, when we were finger spelling our long vowel graphemes, remember that these are on one finger. Again, our long vowel graphemes, when we're finger spelling, are on one finger. So let's do a couple here and practice together. Here we go. I love the color gold. So we're going to finger spell gold. Ready? G-old. Again, friendly reminder, it's on one finger. Or fold, like some of you help fold your laundry. Ready? Old. Good job, friends. Ooh, there was a mean and nasty troll in Three Billy Goats Gruff. Let's practice finger spelling that one. Ready? T-er-ol. Good job. Or you like to roll around on the carpet. R-ol. Good job, friends. Let's do a couple more here. Let's do OOST now. First one, post. P-oast. Good. Next one, let's do the word most. M-oast. Awesome. One more for good luck, friends, because I know you can do it. Ready? Host. Ready? OOST. Good job, boys and girls. So again, this week you will be focusing on long vowel graphemes. And remember, when we finger spell or when you're writing them down, boys and girls, it's on one finger. Have fun!